Welcome to the spoken tutorial on presentation notes in LibreOffice Impress. In this tutorial, we will learn about notes and how to print them. Notes are used for two purposes: as additional material or references on each slide for the audience, to help the presenter with reference notes when presenting the slides to the audience. Open the presentation sample-impress.odp. From the Slides pane on the left, choose the slide titled Overview. Change the text to achieve 30% shift to open source software within 1 year, to achieve 95% shift to open source software within 5 years. Let's add some notes to the page, so that when it is printed, the reader will have some reference material. To edit the notes, click on the Notes tab. A Notes text box is displayed below the slide. Here we can type the notes. Click to add notes. Notice that you can edit this box. In this text box, type "Management would like to explore cost saving from shifting to open source software." Open source software has now become a viable option to proprietary software. Open source software will free the company from arbitrary software updates of proprietary software. We have created our first note. Let us learn how to format the text in the notes. Select the text. From the top left corner of the Impress window, click on the Font Type drop-down and select Twig Mono. Next, in the Font Size drop-down, select 18. From the same taskbar, let's click on the bullet icon. The text now has bullet points. Let's now learn to create a Notes Master to set all notes in a standard format. From the main menu, click View and then click on Master. Click Notes Master. The Notes Master view appears. Notice that two slides are displayed. This means there is one Notes Master for each master slide used in the presentation. The Notes Master slide is like a template. You can set formatting preferences here, which are then applied to all the notes in the presentation. From the Slides pane, select the first slide. Click on the Notes placeholder and select the text displayed on it. From the top left corner of the Impress window, click on the Font Size drop-down and select 32. From the main menu, click Format and Character. The Character dialog box appears. Click on the Font Effects tab. Click the Font Color drop-down and select Red. Click OK. Let's add a logo to the notes. Let's add a triangle. From the Drawing toolbar, click on Basic Shapes and select Isosceles Triangle. Insert the triangle on the top left corner of the Notes text box. Select the triangle and right-click for the context menu. Click Area. The Area dialog box appears. Click on the Area tab. Click the Fill drop-down and click Color. Now choose Blue 7. This formatting and logo will be the default for all the notes that are created. Click OK. In the Master View toolbar, click Close Master View. In the main pane, click the Notes tab. From the Slides pane on the left, choose the slide titled Overview. Notice that the notes are formatted as set in the Master Notes. Now let's learn how to resize the Notes placeholder and slide placeholder. Select the slide placeholder, press the left mouse button and move it to the top of the screen. This creates more space to resize the notes placeholder. Now, click on the border of the notes text placeholder. Hold the left mouse button and drag it upward to increase the size. We have now learned to resize the placeholders as we require. Now let us see how to print the notes. From the main menu, click on File and select Print. The Print dialog box appears. From the list of printers, select the printer connected to your system. In the Number of Copies field, enter 2. Click on Properties and under Orientation, select Landscape. Click OK. Under Print Document, select Notes from the drop-down menu. Now, select LibreOffice Impress tab. Under Contents, check the Slide Name box, check the Date and Time box, check the Original Color box. Click Print. If your printer settings are configured correctly, the slides must start printing now. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we learned about notes and how to print them. Here is an assignment for you. Open a new presentation. Add the content in the notes placeholder and add a rectangle. Let the font of the content be 36 and color it blue. Color the rectangle with green. Adjust the size of the notes placeholder in comparison with the slide text holder. Print the notes in black and white in portrait format. You need to print 5 copies of the notes. Watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates for those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. This tutorial has been contributed by Desi Crew Solutions Private Limited. Thanks for joining.